Something had to be done with that patch of weed still sitting in the front. So we decided to do something that would be budget friendly. Picked up some garden fabric. We also picked up some beach pebbles. I thought it would be really nice just to be able to add in some really plush lavender bushes. The best part is, if you go halfway through the summer season, you can get 50% off. We had a very special guest come and visit with us, and it's actually the sire of the puppy that we're going to be getting in September. His name is AJ. Finishing all those windows, as there was quite a bit of chipped paint, by scraping it all back, as well as sanding and then adding in a putty. Really old windows need a little bit of a putty seal all the way around them. This just really helps with the integrity of the window and helps keep the integrity for years to come. We painted up the garden shed. When I painted it, I really wasn't happy even just with the wood filler and sanding I did, so I decided to ask Ryan if he could actually make a couple of panels out of plywood to fit perfectly into the door frame, so that way we could repaint it and just buff it up. I just think it's a great door. There's nothing wrong with it, but I just wanted it to be a little bit better. We were also able to find other rock pieces, just so that way we could kind of create a little bit more continuity. And the best part is they're not actually rocks. They are made out of a rubber. It's almost like a rubber mat made to look like a rock. We are really excited, as good friends of ours, Stephen and Sigrid, have taken the plunge to move to the island. They have bought a beautiful home that they'd like to renovate and make specific to their own. So I thought that it would be great if there was something that maybe we could do, and I'd like to film and share with you with that fireplace. It's kind of dark and it's sitting into the center, so I think there's something really creative that we could do, and I'd love to share that on an upcoming video. We've been taking tons of trips up and down the island as we're planning to do a relocation. We love Victoria. I absolutely love this house, but we are really considering going into a much smaller community. Having AJ around was an absolute hoot. He was just so full of energy and he's so funny. It's kind of neat from a genetic point, as we're gonna have one of his puppies join us this September. I have to say, it was a real treat having him come stay with us. So the puppies are officially 14 days old. If they're anything like AJ, it's going to be such a blast. I absolutely love the little tipped over pots, and I think I'm going to swap those out for bigger ones, but I haven't found them yet. But I just used what I had, and all you're going to do is add some soil and rocks into those, and the succulents are really low key and easy to maintain. Thank you so much for joining me in this week's video. I'm really looking forward to sharing so much more with you soon. Until then, take care.